What's up, everyone? It's me, your Studio John Valencia, and welcome back to True Lace Diaries of Mega Mega Love. Shout out mga ka-Jeromantics. We're back for another reaction video for Jerome Bardome performance para sa Love Beyond Time concert sa kantang Sweet Caroline. Yes, gusto ko to guys kasi I love this Sweet Caroline na kanta na nostalgic to sa akin kasi lagi to pinapatugtog ng lolo ko every Sunday. Kaya naman, excited tayo for this. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Hey! I love the groove of this song as well. Ay, sinayawan tayo. Eh! Ganda ng low tone. Eh! Ganda ng nuances. Hey! Oh! Ta ta ta! Oh my God! I love it! I love the execution. Very groovy. At talaga naman nakaka-excite. Balikan natin guys yung chorus part. Give the give, no? Hey! So good! Pinaupo. Oh, diba? Pinapaupo si Mami. At nakita mo naman nakikig-groove ang ating Mami na ka-Jeromantic sa harapan at talagang vinidyo niya ang kanyang selfie na sumasayaw si Jerome. Balikan natin. Nakita, saka narinig niyo yung mga ibang ka-Jeromantics. Pinapaupo, Ang kita mga step ni Jerome. Hoy, upo. Lahat na daw. Cute na Jerome. Nagpa-selfie. Eh! Grabe yung sigaw ng maupo kayo. Hindi na laki na kaya, oo. Eh! Grabe yung vocal na yun. Eh! Ang cute ng step ni Jerome. I love it. Ganda nung nuances. Oh, there you go. I love it. There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Bardome singing Sweet Caroline. Grabe naman ang groove at moves ng isang Jerome. And of course, such an orgasm. I love his nuances ng Elvis talaga. Sobrang ramdam mo, no, na parang you're listening to Elvis. At syempre, napanood na naman natin ang mga bangayan ng ating mga Jeromantics kasi nga naman sa sobrang excited ay tumatayo talaga sila. Hindi sila mapigilan, mga ka-Jeromantics. But of course, I had fun watching the performance of Jerome, just focusing on the performance as well. Kasi sobrang I love this song. Very nostalgic sa akin. Kaya I love watching Jerome performing the song. Kaya naman, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also mga ka-Jeromantics, meron tayong bagong channel para sa aking vlogging era. Kung bet nyo lang po, sana supportahan nyo and subscribe to my new channel, which is Truly John Valencia on YouTube. So once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.